YouTube? Just got my package in. So I'm gonna flip this camera over and we're gonna do an unboxing video. mcnally finally got my stuff here. Well, UPS finally got my stuff here. There's a box. I opened it so y'all can't see the address that's on it. It's supposed to come with another atlas. Comes with the Road Atlas Compact. Oh, zoomed out too far, in too far. Alright. Let's see here. Set this aside. Let's see if I can do this with one hand. So this is what I got. Tablet T8 or Tablet 85, the TMD. It's nice packaging. It's got the dash cam, navigation, connected services for weather, and yeah. Let me pause this, I'll be right back. Alright. So it is nice packaging. Do not return this product to the store. A little support thing. So it's got a screen protector with it. Damn, this is a lot bigger than I thought it was going to be. That's huge. My other one was like just that little section. Probably not going to have a charge, but I've heard some iffy things about the mount, but I've got a solution for that when and if it happens. See if it has a charge at all. Oh, it does. Has a little bit of a charge. This thing's huge. It's the size of my hand. Well, I don't know comparison, but that's the dash cam. It looks a little off, but packaging is really nice. So this goes on the back. That connects to that. I guess that's if you're going to mount it to your dash instead of your windshield. A charger kit and USB charger. So I'm guessing that's to transfer stuff to the computer. The charger. That's pretty nice. Yeah, that's pretty nice. Wife's gone. I'll be back. What's up, YouTube? I got my hair cut. I haven't trimmed my beard or nothing. The wife wants me to do a goatee, so it's just gonna be this right here. But anyway, so beginning part of this video, I did the unboxing of my GPS, and man, when you get a haircut and you get all dapper and stuff, man, it makes you feel good about yourself. Gets you in a better mood. You start doing that more often. But I'm out here right outside Atlanta in Villa Rica, Georgia. Picking up a load, 3 drop. Last drop's on Tuesday, which sucks, but the load I was going to pick up Tuesday in Laredo, they didn't load me, didn't let me know they weren't going to load me. Shut down the shop, and so I stayed there all freaking night, thinking that they were going to load me. They didn't, so that load canceled. Hopefully I can get tow new on it. Truck order not used, and then picked up a different load in Laredo. Took it out to Swanee, Georgia. Went to that Petro in Atlanta. Got my hair cut, because that's where, it's like the only place I'll go over the road pretty much. I think I've gone to one other place. They did a good job, but I like the Petro in Atlanta. So, anywho, I'm gonna flip y'all around, show you my Jeepus. Now it's charged. Alright, so one thing my other one did it occasionally too, but what sometimes I don't like about this is, so, 20 all the way, but let's say we get to like right here. It'll tell me to exit, which luckily I trip plan, I know where to go and everything. This is just so I don't forget a turn or something like that. But it'll tell me to exit and then hop right the fuck back on, which I don't get. But this dash camera is actually pretty good. As y'all can see, that's some pretty good graphics, so I'm gonna start using that. I don't know if that's the camera. I don't know what. Maybe it's my windshield. I need to clean my windshield. But yeah, that is a good picture. It's huge. It's the TND tablet. That's huge. But it works. It works well. It does what it needs to do. It only, like, out of the box, it only holds, I think, 2 hours of video at a time. So, and that's fine. I just have to buy a memory card, micro SD, I believe, to put in it. And shouldn't be too much. I could probably get one for like $30 that holds a full day of video alone, and probably some more. So I'll do that, and at some point, I guess next Walmart I get to, I'm going to be taking a 34 somewhere. I deliver in Republic, Missouri, the first drop. So somewhere in between here and Republic, I'll be stopping, and then I'll finish out all the way to Republic tomorrow, get me a shower and everything like that, if they allow me to stay at the that first receiver, since it's a 5 a.m. delivery. Something that early, I like to just be able to roll the fuck out of bed, be in a door, back into a door. That way I don't have to start my clock. It doesn't eat into anything, and I can get on to the next one in Wichita, Kansas, and the last one in Lincoln, Nebraska on Tuesday morning. And yeah, so that's that. I'm excited about this Jeepus. It's nice. It's real nice. I got it set up to where I can view the whole entire front of the truck and everything like that. I also have my GoPro, which of course, I have other mounts here. I got the mount up there. I got a head mount. Got everything for the GoPro, so I can add in kind of like B-roll footage, stuff like that. And hopefully that will be my, without having to forget to stop or start, I can use that for the dash camera. And I got new workout bridges in the mail from a place called My Protein. I'll put my link in the description. You get 30% off by using my link. They got protein powder, they got BCAAs, they got all that stuff, all that workout shit, and healthy stuff. It came with the protein powder. I just got back out on the road again, so I haven't got everything situated. Protein powder comes with a little, shaker cup, but it's not really a shaker cup. But it has, never seen one like this. It has like a filter, strainer, whatever. It's a honeycomb strainer in there, which is pretty cool. But I'll probably use this for like my pre-workouts, because I don't have a blender in the truck or anything to actually blend the protein. But this shaker cup I have, as you can hear, has a shaker in it. Looks like that. I don't know if y'all can see that in the video. But so that's what I use for mixing up my protein and stuff. I haven't been able to get milk yet. Places we went to were out of milk. My wife's like, well, you can just take ours. Like, no, kids need it, not knowing when you're gonna get it next. So I do without milk. I just got water. Just bought me another gallon of water. When I get to the next Walmart that has water, I will get a lot more water. It was a productive home time. It was my wife's birthday. I got her a projector. I got her the hotspot, like a mobile hotspot, since they're a little bit better in the jetpacks than the phone's hotspot. So I got her that, so we don't have an internet provider out in where we're living right now. Baba got me some new boots. It's got my wife's hair on it. Got me some new boots. It was time. I retired my shoes. Got my new shoes from Walmart. They're actually really comfortable. It's got a memory foam sole in it. Really, or paddock sole. What, you know, what the shit inside where your foot goes on, that thing. Memory foam. And it's really comfortable. It's like walking without shoes on. I like it. Here's Walmart. Those I got from Tractor Supply. What else? Got me a new coffee pot. I got me a toaster for the truck. I was going to get me a microwave, but I didn't measure it out yet to see if the bigger microwave I want fits. That's a 700. I want to get at least a 900 watt. And damn, they're like pushing my trailer out. I had to pull away from my trailer, and it sounds like they're pushing it forward. I got chocks on the wheel, landing gear, whatever. But what else? I think that's it. So yeah, hope y'all enjoyed the unboxing video. Excited to start using this dash camera once I get the memory card, and then be able to upload it to my computer once I left my computer and other stuff that I didn't want to fly with for whenever I fly home for a week off. Should hopefully be in the next couple weeks. All about the big news. We're getting closer to the big news. Getting freaking close, man. I'm excited. Really excited. Wife's excited. Apparently we got chickens. We have chickens at our dad's property where we're living now. But apparently we have our own chickens now, which is cool. I like eggs and I don't like spending money. Save me money. But yeah. My son loves taking care of those chickens, so he'll be able to have chores and stuff, but taking care of the chickens and shit. And then, you know, my wife has learned about the chickens and everything, so she knows what to do. It's not that big of a deal, because I don't know everything to do on it. But, it's exciting. Yep, I'm out.